You like the helicopter?
Yeah, I like helicopter.
Don't run away, Moses. Moses, go and catch the helicopter. He's flying next to the Christmas tree. It can ruin Christmas tree. Go and catch it. Moses. Wow, it's a red helicopter, huh? What color is that?
Red.
Red color. And it's going to a Christmas tree. Wow, it's so tiny. And look there. Wow, he's going to teddy bear. A teddy bear. Oh, and he's going to TV. Wow, 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 and Christmas tree. Christmas tree, Christmas tree, Christmas tree. Wow, he's flying high. Yo, flying high. High, 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 high. Christmas tree. Christmas tree. Oh, he's going to TV again. Wow, Moses. Oh, here you are on the ground. And it's going flying up and down. Wow. Wow. And what is that? The red thing, is that a man or what, boy? A man?
Yeah, a man.
A man, or a boy?
Oh, a
Yo! He's going to up and down, flying up and down. Oh, what is that one? Dinosaur?
Yeah.
Oh, go and catch that thing. It's Godzilla, Godzilla. Buy the helicopter, buy the helicopter. Go and buy the helicopter. Wow, the tiny helicopter. Moses, go and catch it. Moses, catch the helicopter. Catch the helicopter.